Welcome to Godwin Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how to reset Windows 11 PC and how to restart the same Windows 11 PC to change startup settings. So, if you have been looking for how you can reset your Windows 11 PC, maybe for it to return to the default settings when you bought it, you are going to see it, you are going to learn it from this video, and also how to restart it. Okay, I will still walk you through on how you can do that in this video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel or you're watching my video for the first time, please do well to subscribe because it will make a good difference to my channel. Okay, all right, let's get started. Here am I on my computer screen. So the desktop section, the next step I have to take, the first step is to access the settings page of this my Windows 11 PC. So I will click on the start menu, then I will type settings so that it will open. So look at settings up here. That's the first option that shows here under best match. So I'll click on it. All right, the page has opened, the settings page has opened, and I'm landing on the system tab. So I will scroll down the page, look at recovery, one of the options under system tab. Click on recovery. All right, see the option reset this PC. Okay, click on reset PC. All right, we have seen two options shown to us: keep my files and remove everything. Here, if you want to this your PC, your Windows 11 PC to be reset, and then keeping all the files and the apps you already downloaded in it. You can see that keep my files, remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files. So if you want all the apps you have installed on this PC so far, since you did the upgrade, to be removed, but keep your personal files you have in the system, you go with the first option. Then look at the second option, remove everything. It says remove all your personal files, apps, and settings. If you want to remove all the files you have saved in this computer and all the apps and any change you have made to the settings page, you go with the option for remove everything. So when you click on any of the options, follow the on-screen guide. Okay, but say I don't want to reset anything, I don't want to change settings or maybe remove any file or even keep any app. I don't want that, so I'm okay with the status of my PC. So these are just the few steps you need to take. Okay, you to take it maybe just few minutes and you're done with that. So let me cancel it. I don't want to go on with that. Okay, now look under this place, advanced startup. So reset your device to change startup settings, including starting from a disk or USB drive. So if you want to restart your device to make changes to the startup settings, so you can go on with this option to restart now. Okay, and follow any possible on-screen guide that will show up. But here, I don't want to make any of these changes, but this video is enough to guide you on the steps you have to take to get this done. Okay, so I hope this video helps. Please, if you like the video, do well to hit the like button. Okay, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. If you have any comments or maybe want me to cover anything on Windows 11, just do well to leave that in the comment section. I will take out time to create a video on that. Thank you once again and see you next time.